In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add automatic subtitles to video with Veed. Subtitles make your content more accessible, keep viewers engaged when sound is off, and help your videos perform better on social platforms. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in just a few minutes. Start by heading to your Veed home and opening your current project. This takes you straight into the editor where your video timeline, preview window, and tool panels are visible. Make sure you're in the correct project, the one you actually want to caption, and that the audio plays clearly in the preview. If you notice very quiet sound or heavy background noise, consider turning your device volume up for review, because what you hear is what the transcription will try to understand. Once your project is open in the editor, look for the subtitles option in the main editing menu. Click Subtitles to open the subtitle tools. This panel is where you'll manage everything related to captions for this project. If you've never added subtitles before in Veed, don't worry. The workflow is straightforward, and you can always undo or tweak anything you change. Now choose Auto Subtitle in English. If your video is spoken in English, you can keep the default language as English and confirm. Veed will analyze your audio and automatically generate subtitles. You'll see a short processing indicator while it listens to the speech and places caption segments on your timeline. How long this takes depends on your video length, but for most clips, it's done in a moment. When the subtitles appear, press play to review them in context. If you spot a misheard word or a name spelled incorrectly, just click on that subtitle segment and type the correction. Keep your edits simple and natural. Complete sentences where it makes sense, and punctuation that matches how the line is spoken. For readability, aim for short lines and avoid cramming too much text on screen at once. If a segment feels too long, you can trim its edges on the timeline to split it more evenly across the dialogue. As you review, watch the timing. Subtitles should appear when the words are spoken and linger just long enough to be read comfortably. If something flashes too quickly, slightly extend that segment so viewers can keep up. Small timing nudges can make a big difference in clarity. That's all there is to it. By opening your project, clicking subtitles, and choosing auto subtitle in English, you've added accurate captions to your video with just a few clicks.